Okay, hi. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a good day. Hope you're having fun doing whatever you're doing. Probably something good, hopefully. Today's video, productive things to do when you're bored at home. Because right now, we're in a time where we're all at home. So why not be productive while you're bored and at home? Okay, cool. Let's get started. The first thing that you can do when you're bored at home and that's also productive is unsubscribe to all of those annoying email lists. You know which ones I'm talking about. The ones from some clothing brand that you shopped at when you were in 6th grade that you no longer shop at anymore, but they still send you an email 4 times a day. Those. Now is the time to unsubscribe to those instead of just getting annoyed when they email you over and over and over again. I didn't even sign up for most of these. Somehow these people just got my email address and started sending me random information about something I have never heard about, so thank you. Next thing, which I guarantee probably about 95% of you are not doing enough, no offense, but I'm in the same boat as you, is washing your sheets and towels. I know it's not the most fun thing ever. I mean, putting the sheets back on your bed after washing them is a little bit difficult. Washing your sheets and towels is obviously good because you sweat when you sleep and towels can get dirty easily. Well, so make sure you're washing those about once a week-ish if you can. Then another thing you can do is inventory resources, because I know right now you're probably concerned about how many rolls of toilet paper you have or how many paper towels you have left or how much soap you have. So why not go through your entire house, create an Excel spreadsheet and tally up all of the resources that you have, and then you won't just run out of something all of a sudden and be shocked. So we have enough coffee, I hope. Pasta. Whatever this thing is, we have this thing. Oh, we have 2 of these things. What are these, for like clamping your mouth shut when your sibling talks too much? I don't have a sibling, so I don't have to worry about that. The next thing, I guarantee you're not doing enough. No offense, this video is like not trying to roast you in any way, because I'm kind of roasting myself too, because I know I don't do a lot of this stuff enough. But this thing is cleaning your makeup brushes, and it's just one of those things. It's kind of like washing your sheets and towels, where it's just something you don't want to do, but you need to do it like regularly. While you're at home, just wash your makeup brushes. I guarantee you there's some that haven't been washed for like a year in there, so you might want to get going on that. Next thing is watch a documentary, because you can always learn new information off of that. I mostly like science documentaries and nature documentaries and stuff where it's not just like reality TV show type documentaries, except for the Taylor Swift documentary. But right now I'm gonna watch a quick documentary, and I'm actually gonna watch it not just for the video because I think it's gonna be interesting. It's the Netflix series Explained. So I really like this series because each episode is an individual topic, which is really cool, and the episodes are like 15 to 30 minutes too, which is the perfect amount of time to learn something but also not like have to sit through an entire 2-hour movie, which I know that I don't have the patience or energy for. So I'm gonna watch the episode called Animal Intelligence. It's only 22 minutes. Yeah, that was a cool little mini documentary. It's cool because like in these things they connect a bunch of different disciplines into one video that's like 20 minutes long. I'd recommend it. That's always a good thing, right? Learning stuff. And then you can also do virtual online tours, and you might be like, why would I waste my time doing this? But for me right now, maybe for some of you too, you're trying to pick a college right now like I am doing, but you can't visit the college, so why not take advantage of these free virtual tours of colleges? And if you're not looking at colleges, tour the what's a museum? The Natural History Museum in Washington, D.C. This is literally just me watching college morning routines. Another thing you could do that also could be fun is DIYing old clothing. Like, I don't know, upcycling an old t-shirt or cropping a shirt or painting some pants or something. I bet if you have other people in your household, or you might have done this already, is clean out your closet when you were bored, and there's probably a bunch of clothing in there that you don't wear, but why not DIY that clothing and make it into a new piece of clothing that you're gonna wear? And then you don't have to go out and buy new clothing. Another thing that would be productive that is probably more helpful to somebody else than it is to you is go on to a website that you shop at and leave a review for a product that you really liked, or a product that just kind of, you know, was disastrous, because that could really help somebody else if you really liked it or you really hated it. Dear Company X, company name classified, I really like all of your other products, but this facial wash caused a rash that didn't go away and I had to go into the doctor's to get it fixed. Don't worry, I actually did not start off the review by saying Dear Company X, but you get the point. Then another thing you can do is make playlists too. That's always fun, right? You can make a playlist for whatever mood you are in. You can make like a happy playlist, sad playlist, surprise playlist. There's a lot of options you have there, so why not spend some time and make a new playlist or listen to some new music. Another thing which will also help you is deleting pictures off your devices, because pretty much with most devices they can store a lot of pictures, and it's so much easier now than it was 20 years ago to just take as many pictures as you want to. But I'm guessing on your phone you have a bunch of just random pictures that you accidentally took of the floor or something, so why not go through and clean up your phone? These are literally just all pictures of classroom boards. Another thing that you can do is go on Pinterest and look for recipes for lunch and dinner, and then look out how to like meal plan and stuff, because that could be fun, right? And also productive, because then you're making food instead of Postmating it. Another thing that is probably important to do is to clean off your devices with like an alcohol swab or a lens wipe, just because your laptop, your phone, that stuff gets dirt and germs and all sorts of stuff that you don't want to be thinking about that it collects. So why not kill the germs and clean off your devices? Another thing, read a nonfiction book. You can still read a fiction book, but to be super productive, read a nonfiction book that helps you grow as a person. I'm literally reading a book about procrastinating while I'm procrastinating everything else. And then indoor workout, you know, there's a billion of online workouts that you can do within the comfort of your bedroom, so do that. Finally, once you're all done with all of these things, you're probably gonna be tired, so take a nap and recharge. And that's all I have for productiveness things you can do in your house when you're bored. But I hope you guys enjoyed these ideas. If you have more ideas, comment them down below, and I will see you in my next video. Thumbs up, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.